I know what you're thinking. You're like, okay, well, can we get a break now? Please, 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 Spiro. The mighty researcher of all this information who makes very good logical arguments based on pure logic, insurmountable, non-refutable statements backed up by scientific studies and statistics and news articles that we cover on the daily. Please, I beg of you, a break. Mercy, mercy. It's mercy you ask for, huh? Well, you can't say I'm not benevolent. How 3D printing is personalizing healthcare. Prosthetics are becoming increasingly affordable and accessible thanks to 3D printers. So here you go. For all the haters who are like, oh, you're not positive enough, Spiro. Some positive news, come on. Okay, here, some positive news for you. This is kind of cool. I have a 3D printer behind me. I don't know if you can tell. So I think 3D printing is really cool. And I think this is a cool usage of 3D printing. You can create prosthetic, like, appendages of whatever you need to make, or additions, etc. And it makes things cheaper and helps people out with their daily lives. I think this is very cool. There are advancements being made, particularly with affordability and accessibility, which is why I bring this one up, because I could bring up other 3D printing, let's say, improvements that kind of push the barriers of what you can do with 3D printing, which is cool in and of itself from like a technical perspective. But the problem is that even if you get to that point, the issue would be, how do you mass produce it? How do you get it in the hands of the people who need it? How do you make it affordable? Things like that. And that's more what this article highlights, is that these things are becoming more affordable, and they are starting to become far more beneficial than they ever have before, while at the same time they're moving forward. So whether it's implants, like it says here, implants for surgical planning, for drug manufacturing, whatever, the technology helps in a number of different ways. And I think this is good. This is a good thing. So if you want to go check out this article, it's from Ars Technica, and I would encourage you to look at it. For example, they have the world's first 3D bioprinted liver tissue, but this is from 2013, mind you. But literally they 3D print this stuff. Obviously, I think this can be taken too far, but there are absolutely certain things that this is a fantastic use case for. I'm glad to see improvements being made in this field for the medical field. I'm nothing if not a benevolent reporter.